Hello and welcome to the XGBoost for Business in Python and R. Here, you'll learn how to use XGBoost, a state-of-the-art machine learning technique to drive business and how to code it in Python and R. My name is Joe Krezin and I'll be guiding you through the course. I work as a commercial planning and strategy manager at Zalando, one of the world's biggest fashion e-commerce companies. Thus, the projects I collaborate with require high knowledge of advanced analytics. Additionally, before coming to Germany, I was an anchor at a local radio that gave me the skill of public speaking. Machine learning can be a scary topic. We associate it with complex mathematics, and having to program it alone can put anyone off. This course addresses these two issues. First, I'll focus on explaining what XGBoost is, qualitative, to foster your intuition. Secondly, we'll go together line by line, explaining all steps we need to take. XGBoost is a state-of-the-art machine learning algorithm. It is well known for being faster to compute and more accurate than other well-known techniques like neural networks or random forest. XGBoost is also one of the most preferred algorithms in the data science competitions around the world. Fortunately, it is also a very accessible algorithm to grasp and implement. The course focus is on the application of XGBoost in the business world. We'll solve a direct marketing case study and conclude that we can increase our sales efficiency by 50% while having minimal impact on revenue. In the intuition tutorial, we'll go through all concepts you need to understand to apply XGBoost. The focus will be on understanding through examples, metaphors, and graphs. In the practice tutorial, we'll code together XGBoost in Python and R every step of the way. The key idea is that you see what you need to write and understand how you can do it. By the end of each practice tutorial, you'll have a template to use in your day-to-day job and apply XGBoost. I hope this spiked your interest, so please take a look at the course description and the curriculum for more information. I hope you choose this course to master XGBoost, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside.